Hello dear student of class 7. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School online e-learning session. I am your social science teacher Mr. Manish sir. Dear student, today we are going to learn about Islam and Sikhism in major religion. Dear student, we know here in India here are many diversities in language, diversities in food, diversities in clothes, diversities in climate, and also diversities in religion. Here in India, Islam, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism are the religion. Sufism also. So dear student, today we are going to learn about Islam and Sikhism. Here, Islam was founded by Prophet Muhammad. He was born in Mecca in 570 Common Era and was brought up by his uncle who took him over to Arabia. Later on, he married a widow under whom he was employed. At the age of 40, he got the light of wisdom, revelation, while meditating in a cave near Mecca and declared himself the Prophet of Allah. It is believed that Quran was revealed to him by the God's angel Gabriel. Muhammad was opposed to idol worship. So dear student, Quran is holy book of Islam religion. And here Makkah and Medina are two holy cities of pilgrimage for the Muslims. Dear student, Muhammad was not liked by the orthodox and rich people of Makkah. So he moved to Medina, where he was warmly welcomed by the people. After the death of Prophet Muhammad, Abu Bakr, Prophet's friend, was the first adult to embrace Islam. He became a Khalifa. The Khalifa enjoyed full political and religious powers in Islam religion. Dear student, Islam propagated faith in Allah and prophethood of Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad preached that Allah punishes us for the bad deeds and rewards us for good deeds. He also propagated the concept of equality. Quran says that to regulate one's life as a true Muslim, a person has to observe some 5 principles. Dear student, here are the Islam based on 5 principles. You should always proclaim oneness of God, Allah, and Muhammad as his prophet on this earth. Every Muslim should offer prayers 5 times daily. On Monday afternoon in mosque with others, it is namaz. One should give alms to the poor. It is zakat. Every Muslim should keep fast roza during the holy month of Ramzan from dawn to dusk. It is Saum. And one should, if possible, to go Hajj to Makkah at least once in his lifetime. So these are the 5 principles in Islam religion. Dear student, the greatest contributions of Muhammad was that united and scattered Arab empire under one faith. The conflict upon the successor fate to the creations of two main sects in within Islam. There were Sunni and Shia. Dear students, Sunni and Shia are the two sects in Islam religion. Next religion is Sikhism. The founder of the Sikhism was Guru Nanak Dev. The origin of Sikhism can be traced back to the time of Guru Nanak. He was the first Guru of Sikhs. In childhood, he was very happy in the company of sons and Sufis. He propagated that to be one with God, one has to be egoless and denounce lust for worldly pleasures. He believed in Nirankar Brahma or God. Dear student, Guru Nanak established Sangat and Pangat. Here, Sangat is the religious gathering where everyone recites the name of God without any distinction of caste, creed, color and race. And Pangat is eating langar by sitting together in a row without any distinction of rich or poor, caste or creed, race or color. Guru Nanak preached through kirtans, self-composed bani and songs of other sons. Sikhism is based on Guru Shishya tradition. The sacred scripture of Sikhs is the Adi Grantha. This holy scripture is their Guru. The hymns are known as Guru Bani or Shabda. Shri Guru Granth Sahib is the source of divine kirtan for the Sikhs, and Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book for Sikh community. Guru Nanak passed away in 1539. According to Sikhism, a true Sikh is one who believes in one God, has complete faith on 10 Gurus, who follows Shri Guru Granth Sahib, acts accordance with message of Guru Bani. Every Sikh should be baptized by taking Amrit. The second Guru was Guru Angad. Collected hymns of Guru Nanak in Gurumukhi script. Guru Ramdas dug the holy tank known as Amritsar, Gurudwara Golden Temple. The city of Amritsar takes its name from it. Guru Arjun Dev constructed Gurudwara Harminder Sahib in center of the tank. It is also known as Golden Temple as Amritsar. Guru Hargobind constructed the Akal Takht or the throne of God near the Golden Temple. Guru Tegh Bahadur here. The Guru Tegh Bahadur was involved in fighting against oppressions by Mughal. He involved in the fighting against oppression by Mughal and inculcated courage among the Sikhs to fight against the atrocities of the Mughal rulers. Dear student, the last Guru Gobind Singh created Khalsa Panth at Anandpur, popularly known as Takat Shri Keshargarh Sahib, on the day of Baisakhi. So dear student, it is all about the Sikhism in our country. I hope you understand. So here the principles of Sikhism: Naam japo, Kirtan karo, Kirat karo, Vand chakko. So these are the principles of Sikhism. So dear student, I hope you understand today's topic. Here the assignment question: that based on today's topic, you should write these questions and its answer in your notebook. So dear student, thank you for watching today's online video and thank you for making me the part of your day. Thank you for today. Have a nice day ahead.